Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Your home's lobby for Foyer is the first impression for a guest, and luxury lobby design ideas for home provides tips for creating a grand entrance. This video showcases modern and luxury design ideas that add elegance and style to your entryway, from statement lighting fixtures and elegant console tables to artwork and unique decor pieces. These ideas will make your lobby look like a five-star hotel. The video encompasses the importance of choosing a cohesive color scheme that complements the rest of your home's decor. You will also find tips on adding mirrors to create the illusion of space or incorporating greenery for a welcoming natural touch. For a more personal look, consider adding family photos, sculptures, or seasonal decorations. Each designing idea is thoughtfully curated to help you to create a lobby that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, ensuring your home makes a lasting impression from the most and moment someone steps inside. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.